Hey, it's Clayton. Welcome to howtodrawcomics.net. Sizing up your characters so that they look right is one of the core challenges that we all struggle with, and it all comes down to the underlying structure that holds up the human figure. That means we've got to start out with a powerful foundation to build our characters upon. So in this lesson, you're going to learn how to draw your comic book characters in proportion. I'm going to teach you exactly what proportions are and how you can use them as a tool to size up your characters and construct them correctly. We'll get in depth into how the proportions actually change depending on your character's age, pose, and the perspective you're drawing them in. I'll also give you the lowdown on the proportions of the human head, as well as highlight some of the key size associations throughout the human body to make drawing your characters in proportion second nature. I'm also including a whole bunch of extras to go along with it, including a workshop series. Some of those extras are limited, but again, if you'd like to know more, just hit the link in the description below. Thanks again, and until next time, see you later.